welcome to the Edges of Earth. My name is Brock. Today I'm with Karan. We're in Tamil Nadu, India, and we are basically back at the same location that we were last time. I don't know, what do we have planned today? It's like 11 o'clock.
We're going to take some photos and then some drone footages, and then we'll go back to the Dhanushkodi, because the last time we went to the place, somebody refused that we go into inside.
Yeah. So last time we were here, they denied us because of the whole coronavirus thing, but they removed some of the lockdowns. So now we're just going to, I don't know, go explore. Oh, I'm totally going to ask you a lot of questions.
No?
He loves when I ask him questions. We just drove for like an hour. My butt really hurts. Now we're going to eat next to the temple. You can see the temple. So we're almost at the spot where they denied us last time. We're getting close. So we're going to eat, and then we're going to go to that spot. Do you think they will deny us access?
No. This time we can. They access us to go inside.
Okay,
we can
maybe.
see the places.
Anyway, we're going to eat. Ready?
Yeah,
I'm hungry.
Ready.
What do you see? Oh, look. There's us. So what did you get? What did you order? What is this?
I ordered meals for me, and then there's a curd rice for you.
So, tell people what these are. What are we looking at here? We have rice.
Yes, there is 2 curry, and then there's buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
And then payasam.
Huh?
Payasam.
I don't know. Okay.
And then a lot of vegetables. That's all.
Just vegetables.
Curd rice.
Curd rice. Curd rice and what is this?
Beetroot, you know?
Beetroot. Beetroot. You said this is beetroot. Do I eat it alone, or do you mix this?
You eat it alone.
Alone. All right, let's try the beetroot first. It's warm. I just assumed it would be cold. A little spicy. It's really good. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it. It's really good though. And then it's rice and yogurt mixed together with, I don't know, looks like cheese maybe? It just tastes like rice with no flavor of any kind. What is this?
Pickled lemon.
Pickled lemon. Let's try a little pickled lemon. Nope. Oh, no. It's like I'm eating chilies. It's really hot. It's like chili salt water with a drop of lemon. I figured out what the beets were. You said it was beets?
Beetroot.
Yeah, beetroot. The flavor that they used was black licorice. Oh, your motorbike is not there. We're over here. Anyway, are you full now?
Yeah.
You have enough energy to keep going?
It's enough.
Yeah, me too. All right,
Enough energy.
let's do it. Awesome. So we just got to the police officer, and he said, what?
They didn't need us to go inside.
We can't go inside again. But I thought you said everything was open.
Yeah, but
Everything except that.
yeah, except that.
So 99% of things are open except for the things that we want to do, right?
Yeah.
So anyway, now where are we going to go? What are we going to do?
The name, the place is called Agni Tirtham.
Okay. I cannot say that, but I will trust you.
Yeah.
We're going to hang out with the goats. These goats are everywhere. Cool. So we just finished eating. Now we came to a temple.
Rama temple.
A what?
Rama temple.
That just means this area. Temple of Rameswaram. Temple of Rameswaram. Difficult with the feet, these steps. They're very narrow. Yeah, you totally can't see behind us. It's particularly amazing behind us. Yeah, it's really cool. So I gotta go down these steps again, but they're so narrow. I have to walk sideways, otherwise I'll die. Karan made it down, no problem. He's part ninja, right? How are you going to get down? 1, 2, 3, jump. I think we went this way, but now we're up too high. Oh, this is far. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god.
Wait, man.
Huh? Can you
Don't
make
break
it?
your legs.
Yeah. What do you need? Seashells?
No.
Okay, so we just finished up at the temple. Where are we going now?
We are going to Villundi Tirtham.
Again?
Villundi Tirtham.
So we made it to somewhere. Wait a moment. Amazing. So we made it out here to, I don't know, a dock, right? It's kind of cool. We were followed by a group of kids on their motorbikes, and they said something like they're snorkeling over in this direction. I don't know if you can see, but it's really cool. It's a beautiful area. Are you going to go swimming?
No.
No, probably not. Why not?
We don't have enough suit for that.
Yeah, but there's a lungi thing down on the ground. You can use that. Yeah.
That is a sari, not lungi.
Oh, that's a sari?
Ah.
Oh, there's a difference?
Yes.
So one you wear on your head, one you wear on your body? I don't know. Sari, lungi, same thing. So we stopped for a moment at a bakery and we're going to eat, what is this?
Plum cake.
Plum cake? Plum cake. And coffee. Plum cake and coffee?
Yeah.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, yes.
And it looks like it has cashews. Plum cake? P-L-U-M.
Yeah.
Very interesting. Yeah, it's like a fruit cake. Just like a fruit cake. I don't know how else to describe it. I'm excited for this coffee also. Do we have to mix these together?
Yeah.
Like back and forth, back and forth? Anyway. Bakery. So we're on our way to a place called Pamban Beach, and there are countless boats that we've seen last time, fishing boats, and a beach and a lot of fishermen. And the sun is kind of just starting to go down, so we thought it'd be a fun area to come and explore and I don't know, see what it's like in the area. We're trying to figure out how to get there, and I think we're lost. Are we lost?
Yes.
We're totally lost.
Look at the boats. Really big boat.
Okay, so we just made it to this area. So we want to look for a cool place to sit and fly the drone just for a moment because there's so many boats and it's amazing. And maybe Karan's gonna go swimming.
I'm not going to swim.
No? Why not? He's not gonna go swimming. He'll go swimming if I push him in. Or maybe I'll go swimming if he pushes me in.
It says up to this area is cool, and then after that we can it's cold.
Go under. We have an audience here. So we just finished up doing a quick shot with the drone in this area. I don't know, the kids like singing songs and dancing in front of the camera. I don't know why. We're gonna cross the bridge and then what?
Let's go to home. That's it.
Okay, we're gonna cross the bridge and go home. It's like 5 o'clock and we it's like 5 o'clock. I think we're finished up. The sun I was hoping for a better photo because the sun went behind the clouds right when I wanted to do the drone. I think this kid wants to say something. Hello. What is your name? No? What is it? Vative? But I don't know. Okay. Very good. That is his name, even though... Oh, why am I sideways? Wait. Photo. Everybody wants a photo. I don't know why. So today was very short. We explored, even though we still couldn't go to our destination because the police stopped us.
Yes.
Even though you said the police wouldn't stop us. But the police stopped us.
What can we do?
What can we do? Photo. One more photo. Anyway.
Bye-bye.
So that's it. I got a red face today and that was fun.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Until that, you'll come the next year also.
Next year, maybe next week.
அடுத்த வாரம் வரலாம்டா.
Okay, bye. I don't know what I was going to say. I lost train of thought. Anyway, we're done. We're going home. Thank you for watching. Anything else you want to say? No. Just no?
No.
He doesn't want to say anything else. Me neither. My face, every time I move my face, it hurts. That's it. Thank you all for watching. Remember, your time is running out. What is it?
Start living.
Yeah, start living, he knows. Take care.